Hey guys, today I want to show you how to import an STL file into Fusion 360. So first off, you want to have your document here open, and then click Insert, go to Insert Mesh, click on the STL or .obj file. Those are the two types that create a mesh. You can open it. This will take a minute if your file's big like mine. And ta-da, you've got it. So then you can make sure that it's set in the same units as what it originally was. And you can change them, I guess. So if you want to make it meters, it will make this thing huge, absolutely huge. But actually, it was millimeters, so I'm going to keep it as that. I can center it. I can also flip the direction, move it to ground, and all that stuff, which I may do. Yeah, that'd be quite good. These are very similar to what you'd find in 3D printing software kind of functions, because STL files are often used with 3D printers. So yeah, I want to rotate it. You can twist it around. Let me just type it in. I want to twist around by 180 degrees. Ta-da! Perfect. So that's all the stuff to import STL files into Fusion 360. Thanks for watching, guys. I shall see you next time.